Hi guys, Home Appliances Advisor presents daily workplace safety tips in manufacturing. No one wants to get hurt, but sometimes we neglect best safety practices because it takes extra time and effort. A little extra time is always worth it to avoid an injury. 1. Inform supervisors of unsafe conditions if you see something that could potentially hurt someone. Remove the object or clean the area if you can do so safely. Otherwise, inform your supervisor. 2. Use equipment, machines, and tools properly. Misusing tools and machines is the most prevalent cause of workplace injuries. When using equipment, make sure that you are using each piece of equipment for its intended purpose and are using it correctly. 3. Wear safety equipment. When cleaning up messes and using equipment, make sure you wear the proper safety equipment. Making sure you wear the proper safety equipment and checking that your safety equipment is undamaged. 4. Prevent slips and trips as the second most prevalent cause of non-fatal occupational injuries. It is vital to ensure that aisles are clear and spills are cleaned to prevent employees from tripping or slipping. 5. Keep work areas and emergency exits clear. Make sure to remove any clutter blocking emergency exits, equipment shutoffs, and areas that you are working. 6. Eliminate fire hazards. If you are using combustible materials in the work environment, only keep the amount you need for the task at hand. When you are not using the flammable material, store the chemical in an assigned safe storage area away from sources of ignition. 7. Avoid tracking hazardous materials. To ensure that hazardous materials are not accidentally tracked into other areas, make sure that work area mats are maintained and kept clean. 8. Prevent objects from falling. To keep objects from falling, use protections such as nets, toe boards, and toe rails. In addition, stack boxes straight up and down, and place heavy objects on lower shelves. Furthermore, keep stacked objects. 9. Use correct posture when lifting to avoid injuring your back when you are trying to pick up an item. Keep your back straight, use your legs to lift, and pick up the item without stooping or twisting. 10. Take work breaks from time to time. Many work-related injuries occur when a worker is tired and cannot adequately observe dangers in their surroundings. By taking regular breaks, you are able to stay more alert when working. Thank you for watching video. Please like, subscribe, comments and share. Prepared by Mohan Chandra Papane.